How to get Dark Angel Edgar in Brawl Stars. Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to get Dark Angel Edgar in Brawl Stars. So to get started, follow these steps. Step 1. Open Brawl Stars. Start by launching the Brawl Stars app on your device and make sure you have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Go to the shop. Tap on the shop icon at the bottom of the screen to access all available skins, special offers and deals. Step 3. Check for Dark Angel Edgar. Scroll through the skins or special offers section to see if Dark Angel Edgar is available for purchase. Step 4. Purchase the skin. If you find it, you can buy it using gems or bling. Make sure you have enough in-game currency before making the purchase. Step 5. Equip the skin. Go to the Brawlers menu, select Edgar, tap on Skins, choose Dark Angel Edgar and press Equip to activate it. Step 6. Jump into battle. That's it. Now you can enter battles with Dark Angel Edgar and show off your new look while taking down your opponents. That's it and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.